Hi, I'm Honda Pro Jason. Today I'm going to walk you guys around the Honda Fit. So follow me and let's have some fun. The EX trim level is awesome. I mean, just check out this front grille with all this piano black, these fog lights with a honeycomb around it, and these rims, 16-inch alloys, painted on the inside, kept silver on the outs. These side mirrors fold forward and backward. When you're ready to come into your car, why dig through your pocket trying to get the remote out? I mean, simply keep this in your pocket, grab that door handle, the doors will automatically unlock. When you're ready to go, you just press this little black button, they'll automatically relock. Coming around to the rear, this rear hatch opens up with a press of a button, allowing you plenty of room for your stuff. But if you need more room, you simply pull this lever on Honda's Magic Seat. If you need more, you push it right down on the other side. When you're ready to leave, you simply shut the hatch, and there's a little black button under here, much like the one on the door. You press it and simply walk away. Now let me show you the interior of the Honda Fit. So many awesome features in here, starting with this really cool cup holder. Underneath that is this Econ button. You simply press this button and it'll actually increase your gas mileage over the 35 average. This steering wheel, man, everything is at your fingertips. You can shift the car up and down. You can change the volume. You can change the channels. You can actually use all your Bluetooth connectivity with your phone. Your cruise control is also there too. Some very easy to read gauges. Coming across to this display screen, you guys are gonna love this. Full color, and it's a touch screen. The heating and air conditioning controls are easy to use. Underneath here, you have two more cup holders. In the center, you have plugins for all your devices. I'm talking about a power outlet, HDMI, USB, and in the center you have another power outlet and another USB. Under the hood, Honda put its Earth Dreams technology 1.5-liter engine, getting 130 horsepower and averaging 35 miles per gallon. How cool is that? And that is your Honda Fit. For more information, contact your local Honda dealership.